choice today with the 2022 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, rear parking aid, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.